Hello beautiful people, let's understand another cool tag in HTML, which is the marquee tag. So I'm gonna write opening marquee, then I'm gonna write closing marquee, and inside this tag I'm gonna write, let's say, Adil dev. If I save the file, it is a moving text which comes from the right and goes to the left. So we can set the background color as well with the help of bg color attribute. So I'm going to write the bg color attribute, and then I will give a value of a color name, let's say light blue. And if I save the file, you can see the background color of the moving text is light blue. I can give a width here also. Let's say width, I want the width of, let's say, 200 pixel. So you can see the width of the moving text is now 200 pixel. I can give here value in percentage, so you can see the element is now 20% of the browser window. Let me make this 40%, and I will copy this marquee tag. Then I will add some break tags for new line. Save the file, then I will write the marquee tag again. You can see we have two marquee tag. So in here we can also set the height of the element. So height, I'm gonna write here, let's say 300 pixel. We can give value in percentage also, let's say 30%. So it will take the 30% height of the browser window. We have another attribute which is behavior. So by default the behavior is scroll. If I save the file, you can see there is no change. The text comes from the right and goes to the left. Then we have another value which is alternate. If I save the file, you can see this second marquee element goes to the left, then it goes to the right, and it's a to and fro thing. Let's copy this marquee tag and this break tags as well, and let me write this again. If I save the file, you can see another marquee element, and this time let me set the behavior from alternative to slide. We have this value which is slide. So check this out, the text comes from the right and stops at the left. So let me refresh the page. Check this carefully. The text comes from the right and stops at the left side. This alternative behavior is it goes to left, then it goes to right, goes to left, then it goes to right. And the scroll behavior is it goes to the left, then it again goes to the left from right. And this happens again and again. So we have another attribute with respect to this marquee tag, which is the direction attribute. So in this alternate marquee tag, I'm gonna write the direction attribute. So we can give here left. So if I give here left, you can see it starts from right and goes to left. And if I give here, let's say, right, then it starts from left and goes to the right. To understand this more, let's use this direction attribute in the third marquee tag, which has behavior of slide. So I'm gonna write here direction, then I will set the value right. So if I save the file, you can see the text goes to the right from the left. And if I write here left and save the file, look carefully, Ctrl S, you can see the text comes from the right and stops at the left. We can use images also in this marquee tag and move the image. So let me delete this Adil dev text, and inside the slide or the third marquee tag, let me add a picture. So I'm gonna write the image tag, and in the source I will give a path of an image. I have an image in the second folder, you can see pic.jpg. So in the source I'm gonna write the second folder, then we have the pic.jpg. And let's say I'm gonna remove this alternative attribute for this moment, and I will set the width 50 pixel. I save the file, you can see the image slides from the right and stops at the left. If I change the direction from left to right and save the file, you can see the image goes to the right from the left. So in the second marquee tag, let's add that image again. So I'll delete the text which is Adil Dev, and I'll copy this image, Ctrl C, and in the second marquee tag which has behavior of alternate, I will write the image in between that opening and closing marquee tag. So you can see the image goes to the right, then it goes to left, it goes to right, then it goes to left. So it is the alternate behavior. So you can see the marquee tag is very cool and useful. Without JavaScript, we can add movable elements to our web page by using this marquee tag. I forgot to mention that the direction attribute has another two values. So if I change the value of direction attribute in the second marquee tag from right to up and save the file, you will see the picture goes to the up and down. It goes to up, then it goes down. And if I make this down, then you will see that the picture first goes down, then it goes up.